flickering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter
Look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire.
Tapos na kami sa Union Bank, guys. Pasyal muna kami.
Hi guys. It's Friday. So, expect na natin traffic.
Shoutout nga pala kay Ira at saka kay Sheena. Nagpapa-shoutout mga guys. Shoutout sa inyo. Hello guys, pauwi na kami. Sumakit yung mga tiyan namin eh. Kaya uwi na muna kami. Bye bye.